Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new CUPRA TERRAMAR. So this is the new model from CUPRA, a sporty SUV, 4 meters, 51.9 centimeters is the length of the car. Model in the video is finished in the Fjord blue color, very nice spec, and this is the base trim. So you will see just how nicely spec'd the base trim is. On the front you can see the beautiful shark nose, so the new design language from CUPRA, lovely lights, CUPRA badge of course, very aggressive grille, 18-inch wheels as standard. You can go up to 20-inch ones, so 18, 19 and 20-inch ones. Now I will lock the car, and actually the car locks itself when you go away. So now we will unlock it so that you can see the beautiful animation for the taillights and the illuminated logo. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? So the illuminated CUPRA logo and then CUPRA lettering in here, and also here TERRAMAR illuminated. Very cool detail. Very sporty look for the lower section of the bumper. Let me also show you here the trunk space, nice square shape. You can slide the rear bench, so up to 602 liters of space. Also spare tire, something that you don't often see in modern day cars. Press this to close the tailgate, and yeah, well, I think we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive. I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the exterior design? And yeah, now let's go. Let's check it out from inside. And look at this gorgeous digital cockpit and the main touchscreen, 12.9-inch screen. Look at the seats. And yeah, now let's go. Let's check it out from driver's perspective. Here is the view from driver's perspective. Start engine button is here on the steering wheel. So now we turn on the car, put on the seatbelt, and we are ready to go. I love the ambient here around us. Beautiful steering wheel, beautiful digital cockpit, and the main touchscreen. The gear selector for the DSG is here, so put it to drive. Very easy to operate on this one. And yeah, I think we are ready. And we will start with the specifications of the model in our video. So it's got the 1.5 liter petrol unit with mild hybrid technology, so 48 volt mild hybrid system, 150 horsepower petrol, and you will see there will be a lot of coasting, which we are currently doing, for example, as you can see. So this car gives you a nice and smooth drive with this 48 volt mild hybrid system. There are also other options. So this is the entry model, base spec and base powertrain is this 1.5 liter mild hybrid, and then you can also go for the 2 liter TSI, so the petrol unit, and also 2 plug-in hybrids, so 2 petrol versions, 2 plug-in hybrids, and mild hybrid petrol. Those are the options. A lot to choose from. Plug-in hybrids, so the e-hybrid models, they have a range of over 100 kilometers just on electric power by WLTP standard. So those are also very good options, especially if you're doing a lot of daily commutes and have option to charge the car at your home. And then with this one, with the mild hybrid, there's no charging, you just drive and the system does everything for you. And you will see, I think you will enjoy this drive. We also drove this particular powertrain in the new Golf and also in the CUPRA Leon, so you can watch those videos on my channel as well. But of course today's focus is the CUPRA TERRAMAR. So the new sporty SUV from CUPRA. And the layout in front of us, digital cockpit. You can change the views by pressing the view button, and then you can also select what you see in the middle and also on the sides. And then in the middle, the 12.9-inch touchscreen with this new CUPRA infotainment system, which is very good. I'm a big fan of it. Of course, you can watch my video during the day to see the full details of the infotainment system. And the drive itself, again, very smooth. So for example, here you release the throttle and the car is coasting, as you can see. So I'm not pushing the throttle and we are coasting. So very smooth driving in this one. Then here the illuminated sliders, this one for the volume, these are for the temperature. You also have the voice assistant. Hey CUPRA, change temperature to 21 degrees.
Got it. I'll set the temperature at the front left to 21.0 degree.
There we go. Very useful feature. And AC controls are here. And you also have this smart controls, so you can set some tasks like warm my feet or something like that, and then the system will start, you know, to do what it needs to do in order to get that thing done. I like this driver-oriented cockpit. The screen slightly tilted towards the driver, and then this nice central bridge, and of course the steering wheel. We must I must compliment this steering wheel because it really feels nice in hand. You have the buttons here. Speaking about buttons, these are the this button here changes the drive modes. So you have 3 different driving modes: comfort, performance, and the individual. And then in the individual you can set the steering, engine, ACC, air conditioning. And again, here we are looking at the base trim. I think it's so well equipped. So the entry-level model with the mild hybrid and the base spec, I think, again, looking very nice, this interior with this large screen. Of course, if you want more equipment or more powerful engine, you can get it, as I already mentioned. And then of course, for example, you would have also the navigation, of course, which is something that I would add definitely, but the thing is, you also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so maybe you don't even need it. And then you also have the ambient lights in different colors here. So if we go here to lighting, you have the option of various colors, which is very cool. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. And it feels so nice, the car itself, in the corners. Let me actually put the car to, actually I can do it here, to performance mode, and then I will do another lap here. Yeah, feels so nice. Very nice and sharp steering, expected from CUPRA, of course, which is known for making cars that are really nice and really enjoyable when it comes to driving. So nice driver's car, but of course very practical indeed, as I already mentioned. The trunk and the dimensions of the car, meaning that you have really a useful SUV, and you can also enjoy it, of course. So this one has got the front wheel drive, and then you can also go for the all-wheel drive petrol versions. And in total, so the outputs, they go from 150 to 272 horsepower on the Terramar. Tell me in the comments what would be your spec for this car. And now we can go back to the comfort mode. And you have the copper elements throughout the dashboard, so the air vents, for example, and here also on the sides. And of course, again, during my full review during the day, you can see more details of the interior and the infotainment system. And again, coasting, so I'm not pushing the throttle, car is coasting. Now I will push it so that we can also accelerate. Now in front of us over there is the car that is checking if the cars have got the parking tickets. Now in Zagreb we have parking that you need to pay until midnight. Not sure if any city has something like that. Write me in the comments how is it in your city, but yeah, this is new. And also on Sunday we do need to pay as well. I think around until 3 o'clock. But anyway, that's a different subject. Let's enjoy the drive in the Terramar. Start sub system, you can deactivate it here. There's a shortcut. Also you can deactivate the speed limit warning, so it's mandatory by law for all new cars in Europe to have it, but it's easy to turn it off if you don't want the beeping sound every time you go just a little bit over the speed limit. And of course the car is equipped with various driver assistance safety systems, making your drive even more smooth and even more safer. So you can access them here. Smart assistance, so start, stop, lane assist, ACC, front assist and speed limiter, and then you also have the driver alerts and parking assistance. Okay then, and that was the night drive with the new CUPRA Terramar Tell me in the comments how do you like the car. Do subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.